Eating black beans every day will transform your health in ways you never imagined. Try out our easy-to-prepare traditional Chinese black bean recipe that will rejuvenate your hair in a matter of weeks. Discover the incredible power of black beans for your health. Introduction: Why black beans? As we grow older, maintaining a balanced diet becomes increasingly important. One simple yet effective way to boost your health is by adding black beans to your meals. These small, humble legumes are packed with surprising health benefits that many people are unaware of. From improving digestion to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, black beans can make a significant difference to your well-being. Let's explore why black beans are such a valuable addition to your diet. Packed with fiber for better digestion. Black beans are a powerhouse of dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestion. 1 cup of black beans contains approximately 15 grams of fiber, nearly half of the recommended daily intake. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Moreover, high-fiber foods like black beans can help with weight management by making you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Including black beans in your diet is a simple way to support your digestive health and manage your weight effectively. High protein content for muscle health. Did you know that black beans are also an excellent source of protein? Protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair, especially as we age. Each cup of black beans provides about 15 grams of protein, making them an ideal plant-based protein source. For those looking to maintain or build muscle mass without relying on meat, black beans are a fantastic option. Their protein content supports muscle health, aids in recovery after physical activity, and helps maintain strong, healthy muscles as you get older. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The nutrient profile of black beans is truly impressive. They are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and folate, which are vital for maintaining overall health. Iron supports energy levels by helping red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body, while magnesium is important for bone health and folate is crucial for heart health. Additionally, black beans are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These nutrients collectively contribute to improved health and well-being, making black beans a nutritional powerhouse. Lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating black beans into your diet can significantly lower your risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. The high fiber content in black beans helps to reduce cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates and protein in black beans help to regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent food choice for those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it. By including black beans in your meals, you can support your heart and blood sugar health, reducing the risk of developing these chronic conditions. Versatile and easy to cook. One of the best things about black beans is their versatility in cooking. They can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and tacos. You can even make delicious black bean burgers, or add them to your favorite rice dishes. Their mild flavor and creamy texture make them a perfect addition to both savory and sweet recipes. Experimenting with black beans in your cooking can bring both variety and health benefits to your meals. Traditional Chinese health hack: black beans in black vinegar. For a unique and traditional way to enjoy black beans, consider trying black beans in black vinegar. This Chinese health hack involves soaking cooked black beans in black vinegar for a few days, allowing the beans to absorb the vinegar. The result is a tangy, nutritious snack that is believed to support kidney health and improve overall vitality. To make this at home, simply rinse and soak black beans overnight. After cooking for 2 hours, or 40 minutes in an instant cooker, pour black vinegar to cover the black beans in a jar and store in the fridge. Take a tablespoon of the soaked black beans first thing each morning and optionally in the evening before meal. This simple preparation, from our experience, encourages the growth of new hair or reduction in gray hair after a few months, in addition to the other health benefits described in this video. Embrace the benefits of black beans. In conclusion, black beans are a remarkable addition to your diet, offering numerous health benefits. They support digestion, muscle health, and overall nutrition while helping to prevent chronic diseases. Their versatility in cooking makes them an easy and enjoyable ingredient to use in your meals. Embrace the power of black beans and start reaping the health benefits today. Share your favorite black bean recipes in the comments below, or explore more healthy food ideas in our other articles. Your journey to better health starts with a single bean.